Civil Emergency System. Civil authorities issued a civil emergency alert. As reported by many citizens, the existence of the disease has been ascertained. The initial symptoms are severe pain in the head for no apparent reason, paling of the iris, formations of small pimples on the hands. The big cities have already fallen. This is the aspect of those who have been infected for more than 1 hour.
Brick.
The accumulation of resources such as water and canned food is recommended. The maintenance of a battery to stay updated on the situation and weapons to defend against the infected. Survival is the most important goal. If a family member or friend turns out to have the symptoms previously reported, they are no longer the person who knew. Remember the most importantly, survive. Stay connected for more information. End of communication.